It's been a while since I did a video. Hey everyone, so this is my roommate Charlie, and recently I brought my PS4 and I showed Charlie the VR, and then he played Skyrim VR and he was like really excited about it. And I would come home at like midnight. I think he'd just be there like, yeah. He got this idea to buy a drone because he really wanted to fly. So he wanted to buy a drone, put on the VR goggles, and pretend he's flying.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the drone.
Ready?
That's how you hold the scissor.
No?
Show them how you're holding the scissor.
It's like a pencil.
Yeah, but you also might cut yourself. Okay, so how do we show this? Alright Charlie, let's see what we have here. So we have an SD card, 32 gigabytes. No, I think this light is too bright. How do you That's bright.
There.
Oh. Alright, we're just gonna have to live with that. Okay, so here's the SD card, here's the remote controller sunshade hood. I guess this is the drone.
You have to hold it like I showed you.
What do you mean?
The scissors.
No, you... I don't want to cut myself. Shouldn't you be opening this? It's your drone.
I'm just happy seeing it. Harder.
You can read through these. This one's in Japanese, I think. Alright, I think this is the drone. You can open it. Wait. Oh, so bright. Never mind. How do YouTubers do lighting? Okay, I'm gonna get my cell phone. I open it.
Boom.
Boom.
So I got the little lava right.
I told you to get the green one.
Yeah, I know. They must have mixed up.
Right. I guess you'll have to return this then.
After we try it.
Okay. So this is the drone. The camera's here. And then, what's this?
It's like a sensor to avoid obstacles.
Alright. And then I think these are the wings. Well, the wings are kind of delicate.
Yeah. They come with a
Replaceable wings.
additionals.
In case you break it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the important part.
And this is the VR
Set.
The girl looks really really happy with
That's how we're gonna look.
That's how you're gonna look.
You're gonna see me waving my hands in the balcony. The controller.
Oh, the controller, okay.
Do you wanna open that?
He can open it. So I guess it has antennas.
And you can open it from below to hold your cell phone.
Oh, so you like put your cell phone in here and then it's like...
And you can see what's going on. You don't want to use the VR.
The controller sticks are kind of hard though.
Yeah?
It's like kind of pointy.
Oh.
Because they want you to feel pain as you fly your drone.
16 minutes of pain.
16?
That's how long each battery lasts.
Oh. Okay, well...
Do you want to read everything it came with? And where they can get it in case they want to purchase it?
Sure, you can read that.
quadrocopter. DJI Intelligent Flight Battery for Spark. DJI Remote Controller for Spark Quadrocopter. SanDisk Ultra Flash Memory Card, 32 gigabytes. Ultimax Sling Backpack. Ultimax 5-piece cleaning kit. Ultimax Landing Pad for Mavic. Ultimax Mavic Pro Range Extender. Ultimax Mavic Remote Controller Extended. Ultimax Small Remote Sunshade. Ultimax Spark Lens Cap. Spark Propellers. And VR Goggles. I think that's it.
Okay, how much did it cost? And where can they get it if they want it?
Amazon. I got it from Amazon and it was like, I want to say almost $600. But yeah,
Not bad.
I'll let you know if it's worth it or not. Actually, Jeffrey will. Yeah.
Okay, well let's fly it.
Oh,
What do you think?
that was fun.
Are you gonna fly it outside?
We can try. Let's see how it goes. Tiffany! I think outside will be harder though because of the wind.
Yeah. To try.
I thought you didn't have keys.
I have bad news.
You what?
I have bad news.
What?
The drone.
What happened?
I don't think it was a good idea that you flew it out like before you knew how to fly it.
What?
The
What,
drone's gonna-
what happened?
The drone's fucked.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
Dude, you fucked up your drone.
at least we had fun. What?
Just kidding, it's fine.
It's what?
It's fine.
Oh. You tricked me. So it survived?
Yeah, I think.
Pretty cool.